Nowadays, we're living in a rapidly developed world, which is far beyond humans' imagination. New concepts appear every second, and every day there is countless information transferring through the diverse media. Among all the media, Internet is gradually becoming the largest platform of information. Gradually, we realize that people cannot live without Internet today. With the help of Internet technology, people from different places don't need to contact each other face-to-face. Actually, what they need to do is just going online and communicate with social media. So, what is social media? Briefly to say, it is a group of internet-based applications that build on the ideological and the technological foundations of Web 2.0, such as blogs, microblogs, podcasts, social networks, media sharing, and so on. If someone asks me which technology is the most impressive one in those social media, tagging will be my answer. In this video, I want to talk about tagging. It doesn't mean the tags on the wall of streets, nor the tags on your suitcase. After reading the book Tagging, People Power the Metadata for the Social Web, which is written by Ian Smith, I think it's a great pleasure to share the tagging with you. I mainly want to introduce the tagging and the tags in the media sharing applications. That's my favorite part of the book, which inspires me a lot. At first, let's figure out what the tagging is. What is tagging? When talking about the tags, the first view come to my mind is library. When we go into a library to find a book, we will stand before the several rows of shelves and browse the category tags. A tag is just a navigator. It's a non-hierarchical keyword or term assigned to a piece of information, such as an internet bookmark, digital image, or computer file. This kind of metadata helps describe an item and allows it to be found again by browsing or searching. Then, how does tagging work? Tagging system. In a tag system, users add tags to resources. Users are those who employ the tagging system. They create the tags and sometimes they add resources. Users have a variety of different interests, needs, goals, and motivations. They are trying to achieve some larger goal, such as sharing a photo or labeling a document so they can find it later, and tagging helps them accomplish this. Resources are the items that users tag. A resource can be just about anything: a book, a web page, a video, or even a location. As long as we have a way to uniquely identify something, it can be tagged. With each tagging system, resources often share some common properties. At Flickr, the resources are photos. At SoundCloud.com, the resources are sound. And at YouTube, the resources are videos. Tags. The keywords added by user are tags. Because tagging is open-ended, tags can be just about any kind of them. They can be descriptions of the resource's subject matter, its location, its intended use, a reminder, or something else entirely. They can be individual words or phrases. Different people have different tagging patterns. Tagging systems allow for and encourage these differences. And how does media sharing work? As long as we've had media, we've had people who collect and share it. Online media sharing certainly follows the footsteps of those traditions, but in recent years, it's exploded thanks to cheap storage, broadband, easily available production technologies, like digital camera and camera phones, and online communities. And next, I want to introduce some famous media sharing websites: the Flickr, YouTube, Facebook, and SoundCloud. These media sharing sites include an object around which social interaction occurs. The object is a piece of digital media, like a photo, video, or presentation. Flickr. Flickr is a simple social tagging system. It lets you add tags in multiple places and in multiple ways, emphasizing the importance of tag within its system. One can give his friends permission to tag his photos, and the tags become part of the collection. But all the tagging is done on the original source, so the Flickr never develops truly collaborative tagging for any resource. YouTube. YouTube's tags are added by users when they upload a video. Tags play a minimal role in YouTube's navigation. Tags are also used to retrieve related videos. When one is viewing a video on YouTube, he'll see a list of related videos, which is based on the tags used for the current video. In many ways, YouTube tags resemble the keywords that are used to popular on websites. YouTube's tags are like simple keywords. It has a very simple non-social tagging system, reminiscent of the keyword tag. Facebook. Tagging in Facebook emphasizes tagging people. The tags are simple, flexible, and extensible. One can enter any terms he wants. The form of tagging is a one-line text box. Facebook's photo tagging system focuses on tagging people with photos, suggesting that, in Facebook, the people are the objects. SoundCloud. It has a unique industrial design for displaying every sound clip. Each is displayed as a wave style. The user may drag the mouse on each sound channel to have a look at the comments of the audience. All the comments are individually written in any second a user wants. If you love the chorus of this song, you can just post something here, and the keywords left will guide other users to search the sound of the same genre. The future of tagging. Tagging is fast becoming one of the primary ways people organize and manage digital information. Tagging complements traditional original tools like folders and search on users' desktops, as well as on the web. These developments mean that tagging has broad implications for information management, information architecture, and interface design, and its reach extends beyond these technical domains to our culture at large. We are now heading to the Web 3.0 era. Based on cloud computing technology, the application of tagging in the future would be much wider. As I know, some social network companies are now developing a unique tagging system to let the audience quickly pick up the information details about an item, such as a cloth, a furniture, or a car, used by Tom Cruise or Megan Fox. Just by moving his mouse to the video, and then tag information just come out. Once he clicks the details, the tag will guide him to the selling page of Amazon or eBay. There is an interesting revenue mode for network companies and consultants to talk about. Also, there are huge benefits in incumbent technology. If you want to keep up with the pace of the fast-changing world, tag the future. Tag the future. Tag the future.